morning. Today I am going to do a task on Airtasker. So for those of you who know what Airtasker is, it is a tasking sort of. It's pretty much, I don't even know how to explain it. Great job, Tatinda. Pretty much what happens is someone posts a task on it, and then you can go and make an offer for the task, and then if they accept you, you get offered the task and you can go do the task and they pay you. And then obviously the company gets a certain amount from it as well. I think it's 15%. So I'm going to be there at 10 o'clock. It's 9:40. This person doesn't like to drive, so I'll be there at 9:55. Good timing and stuff, because they leave reviews, so you actually have to do a really good job. So anyway, I know you guys may be asking, what conference? What conference? Yes, Victoria will be hosting the 2018 Youth Conference this year on the 5th to the 8th. Is it the 5th to the 8th or the 4th to the 8th? The 5th. 5th to the 8th of July. We're spending, is it 4 nights, 3 days? No, 3 nights, 4 days there. Great food, great bedding. It's at a beautiful, beautiful place. So that's why I'm hustling so hard so that I can go, because I don't want to miss out. I had an amazing time last year. For those of you who went, I'm sure you had an amazing time last year. For those of you who didn't go, you missed out last year. Don't miss out this year. You know, there'll always be a way for you to make money, to raise it, and just put everything to God at the end of the day. You know, you just need to put everything to God. Sorry, someone is staring at me. I'll keep everyone updated on how everything goes and how my first air task has gone. I'm a little bit nervous, I will admit. I'm a little bit nervous, but that's the point in life. You need to put yourself out of the comfort zone a little bit. Don't be too comfortable. If you need to do things, you need to do this. I need to go to conference, so here I am. Side note, for those of you who care, I thought I'd just quickly check in on how everything went. The entire task ended up being 6 hours instead of 4 hours. Yeah, it was a task. Yeah, it's not something that I'll do on a regular basis, but obviously because I have things that I want to pay for really quickly in a short time span, then yes, I'll be willing to do it. The drive and the hustle in me was overpowering the fact that I was like, ugh. But either way, the task that I had, the poster, the guy who posted the task was so sweet, so lovely. I might get into it some other time, but anyway, he was great. He was very, very nice, very friendly. Taught me how to clean the giant fish tank. So I had to clean a fish tank. You know, he was so nice. The reason why I'm back, those of you who've been thinking about conference, not quite sure whether you want to come, not quite sure what it's going to be like, those of you who are coming for the first time, here's just a little brief preview of what's going to happen, except better. No shade. So if you're having doubts, here is the video that will take away all your doubts. Come to Conference 2018 in Victoria. You will love it. You will not regret it. That 320 will go to amazing things. You have no regrets about that 320 registration. Alright, too much talking. Bye guys.
Bet my Fusana, ha ha ha. Far right on the track? Yeah, boo, we here, ha. So man, no one I've been at the place. Bet in the Trinity, Baba. Let's go.
I said, what time is breakfast? And there's Auntie, sister, there, your first day. And I was like, Jesus.
Fasten your seatbelts and put your phones on airplane mode. We are about to take off.
Guys, it
Fasten your seatbelt.
3 bars actually.
Ah. Mine's got nothing.
That's your pen.
But today I've been dreaming about them better days.
You just put foundation and concealer and you'll be okay.
Our rental van.
Guys, what is wrong with this? This one.
Please tell me why these people have no sense.
It's the sugar.
Exactly.
Long hair, all hers, she embodied, God gave it, hairstyle, on flick, that smile, magic. Her past, not so pretty though. What? I boo.
Are you throwing shade?
Hell no, trust me, I know how it feels to chase love and never catch it. How it feels to hear the word and never feel it. God, free me from this painful base. I'm so ready for my happy days.
Yeah, I know what is and what has been, but today I've been dreaming about.
Not to get married, but marriage is very good. So if we put marriage first, we destroy marriage. If we put our kids first, we destroy our kids. If we put anything first other than God, we destroy it. Chose another sister over me, but I'm alright. Chose another sister, and you know what I told God? I said, God, may He treat her well. Oh, but may you bless their relationship. May you be at the center of it all. If it doesn't glorify you, God, I just stop.
It's a camp, brother. When the time for prayer comes, come pray, because the prayer will not help the pastor. It helps the one who prays.
Okay.
This sunglasses tells you the sun is good, but it's too much for me. I only accept the little that I need, not the whole of it. And Paul says, there are some things that are permissible to me, but I won't be mastered by all of them. There are some things that you are allowed, you must allow to get into your life, but not further. You have some sunglasses of your spirituality that tells you, I can only get this, but not further. TV is good, but not further. YouTube is great, but not further. Internet is wonderful, but I can only go on internet up to this level.
Let's continue to, let's ask God to help us. So let's go before God and pray for our lives. Hallelujah.
Look. There's a kangaroo. I'm not getting the zoom. Where's the zoom? 1.1. They're going. Hello, Mr. Kangaroo.
I know, they're cute.
Hi.
Let's go. It's like they're smiling for the camera.
What's in your own room? That's where masturbation takes place. That's where pornography takes place. Do that for them alone. A godly young man is heard everywhere. Because when he's by himself, he's speaking in tongues, babbling, and in tongues. I used to stay with my pastor, and then their daughter, she would come and say, Brother Ashton, what's wrong with you? I'm saying, what? Why is it that always when you are bathing, you're speaking in tongues? I'm like, that's what I am. I can. So I don't want you are not cheating anyone. Life is about you and God, the two of you, period. Not even your mother, not even your deacon or your elder. You and God. Is there a gap between the two of you?
Take one in the morning, one when you are sleeping. Someone will be told to take one in the morning, one in the noontime, one in the evening. And remember, take with food. Some will be told you just to go and rest. What you need is rest. Those are the people who are okay now, who can go from 10 to 4 in the morning praying. But some I still need 1 in the morning with the food, 1 in the afternoon with the food, and 1 in the evening with the food. So if you are only told to go and rest, when you see me coming out of the hospital with my bag of tablets, trying to condemn me.
Good stuff.
You can be tempted. But don't do it. Brother, don't be confused with those legs. They are only legs. They can help to carry one person to another. They are means of transport. Going to say, Shakara. Overcome the temptation. You need to tablets with the food. You just think it's a hug. After they are taking it too far. When they are in their room now, they will start now to meditate upon these things. And you thought that it was a plan. What kind of a hug is that? Let me pause this far.
More this afternoon. I want you to ask your neighbor. How better are you today than the yesterday?
Some people who are not familiar with the joy, when they see you happy, they think, they say, are you alright?
Yeah.
Because the world is, teaches us to be miserable, to be sad. But be above situations. With or without money in your pocket, but rejoice, celebrate, smile.
Our money at all. This is beyond like a oh, is that what the thing you
Participating stores only. JJ.
What is and what has been, but today I've been dreaming about them better days. I've been dreaming about them better days. Yeah, I know what is and what has been, but today